Okay, so proceeding line by line here, anything with a apostrophe before it is a comment, so that's going to be ignored by Excel when it executes this. So here we say that we're going to be looping through all of the gauges that we've selected and build a URL. So we're basically starting with this stub of a URL, and then we're going to tack on all of the sites that we want to retrieve. So here we are doing a for loop through all of the cells in the RFC predictions sheet in the range J1 through J100, basically anything from 1 to 100. If we're only doing ones, we're selecting basically the special cells that are only numbers. So we're not going to process this one, this one, this one, but when we get to this one, it's a number, so we're going to process it. So we loop through all of these. If our gauge number is 0, basically if maybe it's a blank cell or something, then go to 10. 10 is here, so we're basically skipping this line, and then we'll go back and do another loop. If it's not 0, which it isn't in most of the cases, all of these, then we're going to take our original stub of the URL and add on, we're converting it to a string, we're converting the number to a string, text basically, and then putting a comma there. So we're basically tacking on all of our sites to the end of this URL. And then after we're done looping, okay, this line is taking all of the characters to the left, basically everything except the very last character, which would be a comma, and we don't want a comma in our URL. And then we have to have, we're also then adding, basically this URL is a text string, so we're now taking this little chunk of text and appending the thing that we just built onto the end of it, because that's the format that a data connection should be in. So let's stop there for now.